Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this little key ring. It's very simple, very quick, good for beginners, and you can make it any colour you like. So first of all, we start with creating a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you find the first stitch and slip stitch into the very first one. So you'll be creating a little circle. Then chain 1 and make 12 single crochets into the circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, squeeze them around a bit, 10, 11, 12, and slip stitch into that very first chain 1 to close it. Right, so you'll have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stitches. Chain 1, and that would be counted as your single crochet stitch. Then chain 2, skip 1 and single crochet into next one. Chain 2, skip 1, single crochet into next one. Chain 2, skip 1, single crochet all the way around. 2, skip 1, and then you're back to where you started, so you just add this last bit with a slip stitch to close it. Pull it through and we'll cut the yarn. We'll finish with that first colour. Pull it tight and you will have 6 little loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get your next colour and you can put it into any of the loops, doesn't matter which one. Make a little knot so it's nice and secure. Right. Pull it to the side. Now going to do 2 chains, but that would be counted as half double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet, chain 3, another double crochet, which is yarn over once, and half a double crochet, pulling through both loops at the same time. You will be repeating the same all the way around, so half a double, double, chain 3, 2, 3, double, half a double, next loop, half a double, double, 2, 3, and all the way around round in the same way. When you get to your very last loop, you've done your double and then your half double. You then slip stitch to the top of that first chain 2 you made to close this, and then pull your yarn through again, and we are done with the second colour. Right, next colour, you can add into any of these loops. Start with chain 1, that does not count as a stitch, and then single crochet into the same loop where you just attach that colour. Now we're going to do a treble, which is yarn over twice in between the 2 half double crochet stitches, just into this space here. So 1, 2, 3, and then chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're making another treble into the exact same space. So yarn over twice, and 1, 3, then into the next top of the loop you're going to do a single crochet, again treble, chain 5, another treble, and a single crochet, treble, all the way around. 1. You get to the end, you've done your last treble. You're then going to attach with a slip stitch into that very first single crochet. Then don't cut the yarn yet, you will here, once we get that slip stitch done, that's it. You will now chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is where you will attach your keyring. So pull through, cut it, but leave a little bit of a tail so you can sew in your keyring attachment. And all you need to do now is sew in all these little ends, the back, attach your keyring here, and you have made your little keyring. Thank you for watching.